TrackSpacer. My friends, if you're not using TrackSpacer in your mixes, why not? This is one of my favorite plugins to use when I'm trying to create space in the mix for the vocals to cut through. Usually I just slap it on the beat, and then I will sidechain the vocals to the vocals to the beat, and every time the vocals hit, it will bring down the beat. But it's not doing it in a way that like a sidechain compressor would do it. It's doing it in a musical way. It's doing it in frequencies. And if you look here, you've got all these different functions. You've got your low cut, you've got your high cut, you've got your amount of how much you want to push TrackSpacer, you've got freeze, you've got another little button here. If you click that, you can change the pan, so you can affect the sides, you can affect the middle, mids, mono, or you can have it in the middle where it's just doing 50-50. Then you've got your left and right function here, and you've got your mid side, your attack, your release, and your side chain. So there, if you click side chain, it's gonna just let you hear what it's actually doing. Let me show you. Oh, this track's coming from an amazing artist called Gold Blend. Doing bits, check him out. Links are in the description. Go check him out. Oh, let me.
Started as a one-night thing. She stripped the clothes off her voice inside, said, Goldie, pick up your chin. Be cool, calm, and
so that's how it looks.
Longer than 4 minutes. Think
you push it.
At the time I thought it was just lust. I was in the bathroom doing sit-ups, but to put a shift in cause my cheeks flushed. Cheeks on my face, not booty.
And you can just put the amount that you want to put in there. You can change the frequency of what you want to affect. So if you didn't want to touch any of the low mids, you just wanted to affect the highs, then you can.
Started as a one-night thing. She stripped the clothes off her voice inside, said, Goldie, pick up your chin. Be cool, calm, and collected, boy. Try last longer than 4 minutes. Think I did just. At the time I thought it was just lust.
Now if I want to I'm just affecting the middle at the moment. I'm going to put it in a 50-50 and see how that sounds.
Started as a one-night thing. She stripped the clothes off her voice inside, said, Goldie, pick up your chin. Be cool, calm, and collected.
See, that doesn't sound natural.
4 minutes, think I did just. At the time I thought it was just lust. I was in the bathroom doing sit-ups, but to put a shift in cause my cheeks flushed. Cheeks on my face, not booty. Booty's getting judged like Judy. Back to the bedroom with a B round tonight, cause she catches E's in my hoodie. Back
and then you click sidechain.
Needed some juice cause my battery flat. Get it on launch what?
So when you click sidechain, you can hear what you're affecting.
Started as a one-night thing. She stripped the clothes off her voice inside, said, Goldie, pick up your chin. Be cool, calm, and collected, boy. Try last longer than 4 minutes. Think I did just. At the time I thought it was just lust. I was in the bathroom doing sit-ups, but to put a shift in cause my cheeks flushed. Cheeks on my face, not booty. Booty's getting judged like Judy. Back to the bedroom with a B round tonight, cause she catches E's in my hoodie.
Yeah, so that sounds weird.
Needed some juice cause my battery flat. Get it on launch WhatsApp, post in a group chat. Anyone tell that your boy still gassed? Few weeks on, I screwed up Tinder, screwed up Bumble, straight in trash. Yeah. Started as a one-night thing. She stripped the clothes off her voice inside, said, Goldie, pick up your chin. Be cool, calm, and collected, boy. Try last longer than 4 minutes. Think I did just. At the time I thought it would.
So when it's not on, you can hear how the sample, it's a little bit overbearing. It's a little bit overpowering the actual vocals. So when you turn on TrackSpacer, you can hear the difference.
Started as a one-night thing. She stripped the clothes off her voice inside, said, Goldie, pick up your chin. Be cool, calm, and collected, boy. Try last longer than 4 minutes. Think I
Let's see what the size is.
I thought it was just lust. I was in the bathroom doing sit-ups, but to put a shift in cause my cheeks flushed. Cheeks on my face, not booty. Booty's getting judged like Judy. Back to the bedroom with a B round tonight, cause she catches E's in my hoodie. Back to the gaff, I'm in desperate need of some juice cause my battery flat. Get it on launch WhatsApp, post in a group chat. Anyone tell that your boy still gassed? Few weeks on, I screwed up Tinder, screwed up Bumble, straight in.
This plugin is all over my mixes. I've been using this for years. You can change the size of it as well. Look at that. Massive. That just looks mad. So yeah, TrackSpacer. If you haven't got it, go get it. I'm not sponsored. Wish I was. Go get it. It's amazing. It's going to level up your mixes. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, peeps, and that like button. It helps grow my channel and it shows your support, which I appreciate 1,000,000%. I'll see you in the next video.